formation. Now looking all the way down their wing for Phoenix.
Sorry.
The board call is made by red 9 as red 8 and 9 roll around the rest of the formation. Watch for the colour change. Red 1 brings them around to the left. And red 8 and 9 continue that roll around, presenting the wonderful tornado. As we now go into the second half, you'll see a manoeuvre which has not been flown since 2003. Of course, this manoeuvre. Third and final year on the team, former Tornado GR4 and Typhoon pilot and flying instructor on the hill. You see red 9 go around the red, the white and the blue and flying up as they flying instructor on the Hawk Team Rock 2. You can really see that red, white and blue, and also in that manoeuvre you can see the air brakes in the front. Red 7 from the right, red 6 from the left. Airshow. forms a barrel roll in the sky, leaving a snake-like smoke trail in the sky for the first part of the manoeuvre. We call this year the Serpent. And you can really see that red, white and blue smoke in this manoeuvre. That is only capable due to the smoke. This smoke gun is capable of producing approximately 5 minutes of white smoke, 1 minute of red smoke and 1 minute of orange to complete the Serpent in tango. To push as the whole formation do a barrel roll. Now red 6 is working extremely hard. He's pushing up to -3G as he completes an inverted barrel roll, with red 7, 8 and 9 holding on to complete a conventional barrel roll. Red 6 working extremely hard against that -G, trying to prevent all the blood from rushing to his head. But they just completed the double barrel with reds 8 and 9. Time with reds 2 and 3 roll to the outside. Clear goes, reds 4 and 5 roll to the outside. This is one of the hardest manoeuvres for our new pilots each year to master during their first season. This is our centre to celebrate our 60th anniversary. It's a wonderful 60 in the sky.